Hello mga ka-buy and sell, welcome po sa aming YouTube channel. Panoorin ang mga segunda manong sasakyan. Baka may magustuhan at swak sa iyong bulsa. Please support and subscribe na din po ka-BAS. 2019 model Toyota Fortuner V, 2.4-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 34,000 kilometers mileage, cash price, 1,300,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing, 260,000 pesos. For bank approval, insurance not yet included. (2022 model Toyota Vios XLE, 1.3-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 20,000 kilometers mileage, cash price, 568,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing, 55,000 pesos. For bank approval, insurance not yet included. (2021 model Toyota Innova E, 2.8-liter diesel engine, manual transmission, 30,000 kilometers mileage, cash price, 848,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing, 170,000 pesos. For bank approval, insurance not yet included. (2023 model Ford Territory Titanium, 1.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 14,000 kilometers mileage, cash price, 898,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing, 180,000 pesos. For bank approval, insurance not yet included. (2022 model Toyota Fortuner Q, 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine, automatic transmission, 30,000 kilometers mileage, cash price, 1,688,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing, 330,000 pesos. For bank approval, insurance not yet included. 2023 model Honda City S, 1.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 14,000 kilometers mileage, cash price, 698,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing, for financing, 207,000 pesos, for bank approval, insurance not yet included. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe para ma-update po kayo lagi. Visit sa website for more for sale.